In this video,
we will learn how to fix unable to join party on Fortnite, also known as error code 91. If you're facing this error where you are unable to join a party in Fortnite, also known as error code 91, the solution is extremely simple. Firstly, all you need to do is minimize your Fortnite game. Then go to the hidden icon tray and open up your Epic Games launcher. After the Epic Games launcher is open, click on the Friends tab on the left side of your profile tab. Now go to the gear button, which will lead you to the settings menu, and make sure that you do not have do not disturb enabled, and also receiving friend request should be set to anyone. After that, minimize your Epic Games launcher, then head back to Fortnite. Go to your profile section from the top right hand side of your screen, then click on the gear button. Now head to the accounts and privacy tab. Now scroll down until you come to the social privacy tab and make sure that party joinability is set to friends and not invite only. After that, go back to your main menu, exit the game and restart. After restarting, you should be able to join any party without any issues and enjoy the game like before. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.